This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Kenzier. Incredible price on this stunning, heavily upgraded 3,000 square feet home. Located in the sought-after Cresswind at Lakewood Ranch, this spacious Vilano floor plan, Kolter's largest single-story model, sits on a premium waterfront lot with tranquil fountain views. Inside, you'll find high-end finishes and custom upgrades throughout, including a level 7 kitchen with stacked 42 cabinets, a gas cooktop, double waterfall granite island, premium appliances, including an under-cabinet ice maker, and oversized pendant lighting. The open layout connects the gourmet kitchen to the family room, dining area, and breakfast nook, perfect for entertaining. Step outside to your private resort-style lanai with a heated pool, sun shelf, gas fire feature, and a custom outdoor kitchen with granite counters, grill, sink, fridge, and ample storage. The owner's suite is a serene retreat with a spa-like bath, oversized dual-head shower, and a custom walk-in closet. Enjoy maintenance-free living with HOA-covered lawn care, irrigation and pest control, cable and high-speed internet, giving you more time to enjoy the community's incredible amenities. Full-time lifestyle director pickleball, tennis and bocce art, ceramics and card room SmartFit EGym and yoga studio resort-style pool and spa social events, food trucks, live music and more. Ask your agent.